order for me to hypnotize you, now you gotta allow me to hypnotize you, okay? Is this water gonna help you focus and relax? If not, like, if it's gonna distract you, you wanna move further away from it? Is it gonna help you?
I don't know, I've never done this before.
Okay, so alright, you relax on me, okay? Alright, just straight about your arm. I want you to relax, okay? Relax your arm for me. Perfect. Alright, and I want you to just focus on the spot, on the ground, okay? When you get that one spot to focus on, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And then breathe in again. And breathe out. Let that water, let it help you focus on what I'm saying. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Alright, and breathe in again. And breathe out. Excuse me, man. You don't mind taking out your AirPod on fire. I just noticed that you had an AirPod in your ear. Alright, you're doing good. Just relax for me again. Alright, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And breathe in again. And breathe out. Now in a moment, I'm gonna lightly take you on like this, okay? I'm gonna take you on the other, okay? Alright, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Sleep. Deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. So even deeper down, that's why dropping to the amazing. Align your face, so even deeper, that's why dropping to the amazing. Now, anytime I say the word sleep, you will sleep and drop back down into this peaceful relaxation that you're in right now. Not yet, if you understand. On the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3. Eyes open. How you feel? You feel more relaxed or you feel the same?
I feel calm.
More calm? Okay, I can see your hand. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. Sleep. Deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. That's right. Now, even deeper down. That's right. Each breath you take, you take you even deeper. That's right. Even deeper. Now, this time when your eyes open, you're going to find that anything I say from this point on is going to be the truth, the absolute truth, and you're going to believe it. Not yet, if you understand. On the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3. Eyes open. Okay. Okay. All right. When I snap my fingers, your body is going to be glued now. Are you able to get up? The more you try, the more stuff your body becomes. Are you able to get up? Are you able to get up?
I don't know. I don't feel like I don't have the urge.
Bounce out. Are you trying though? Okay. All right. When I tap you on your shoulder, you unstuck. Are you able to move now? Okay. Okay. All right. What's your name? All right. When you shake my hand, your name is erased. You can't think of it. And what's your name?
I mean, I know my name is Bruce.
Okay. All right, can you put your hand on top of your head? You're going to find your hand stuck now. Are you able to move it? Okay, all right, okay. Let's see him again. Relax on me, okay? All right. In order for me to hypnotize you, you got to allow me to hypnotize you, okay? Take a deep breath in. You do that. Relax on me. About 3 minutes. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And breathe in again. And breathe out. And breathe in again. And breathe out. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Relax now. Breathe in again. Sleep. Deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. And even deeper down. That's right. Dropping to the amazing. Allow yourself to go even deeper. With each breath you take, allow yourself to go even deeper. Now this time when your eyes open, you're going to find that the number 4 is going to be erased from your mind. When your eyes open, you're going to find that the number 4 is going to be erased from your mind. No matter how hard you try to think of the number 4, the more erased it's going to become. On the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3. Do it. No. Eyes open. All right, how many fingers I'm holding up? We can skip this.
3.
Okay, can you hold up your hand to my camera? And as I touch your fingers, can you come out loud? And can you hold up to my camera? Can you put your arm out to my camera?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah, all right.
1, 2, 3. 5.
Okay, count backwards from 5 to 0 or 5 to 1.
5. 2.
Huh?
3.
Okay.
2. 1.
Okay, so what's this one?
I don't know.
How many fingers I'm holding up? You don't know? Okay. All right, do you think you hypnotized?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna show you. All right, I'm gonna show you. All right, just relax for me. Take a deep breath in. And do that. Close your eyes for me, okay? Take a deep breath in. Sleep. Deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. And even deeper down. And even deeper. Let them dream and flow and relax. And that's right. It's going even deeper. Allow yourself to get milk. Each and every breath you take. That's right. It's going even deeper. Now this time when your eyes open, you're gonna find that in my hand is gonna be a sleep gun. When your eyes open, you're gonna find that in my hand is gonna be a sleep gun. And what this sleep gun does is when it points at you, it makes it sound. You're gonna go back even deeper into this wonderful feeling that you're feeling right now. On the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3. You do right here. Going even deeper. Going even deeper. Allow your eyes to close. Going even deeper. Allow your eyes to close. Just relax. Relax your shoulders. Going even deeper. Take a deep breath in. Sleep. Deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. And even deeper down. Relaxing every muscle and every fiber. That's right. And even deeper. Now, when you open your eyes, you're going to find that in my hand is going to be a sleep gun. In my hand is going to be a sleep gun. What the sleep gun does is when it points at you, it makes it sound. You're going to go back even deeper into this feeling that you're feeling right now. Not yet, if you understand. On the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can look right here. You can look right here. And even deeper. And even deeper, that's right. Sinking, melting, relaxing, focusing on my voice only. Now on the count of 3, eyes open. 1, 2, and 3.
All right. See this?
And even deeper, that's right. And even deeper. Allow your eyes to close. Just relax. Drop it. Amazing. Allow your eyes to close. Relax. And even deeper. Now this time when your eyes open, you're going to find that all the previous suggestions I just gave you is going to be wiped away. You're going to be back to your normal self, feeling like you had a 10-hour nap, 8-hour massage, feeling so good and relaxed, ready to take on the day. On the count of 3, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, and 3. Wide awake. How you feel? What time is it?
I feel...
Okay, 129. 129.
I don't know. I feel a little bit sleepy.
All right, do you remember the sleep gun? Yeah, the imaginary sleep gun. Do you remember that? All right, do you remember number 4? You forget the number 4?
I know the number 4.
But you forgot it. You forgot it momentarily. You just forgot it.
Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't...
Huh?
It just wasn't...
registering in your brain, right?
It wasn't coming.
Yeah, you were just hypnotized.
I don't know.
That quick.
It made me feel sleepy.
Even though I had to rush it. Yep. But I'm glad you allowed me to hypnotize you, and I'm glad you got the experience too. You glad you tried it?
Yeah, I felt like, well, before, I thought it was just like, I feel like I could have been deeper, maybe because, the environment and stuff like that. But I did feel sleepy. Like, I felt very relaxed, like I was, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
I just felt sleepy, like I was
like floating. Okay. All right. You was just hypnotized, and you don't mind subscribing to me? That's great.